Hey, welcome. Today I am excited to share this with you. This is a 7-module free Claude AI prompt framework I've put together for you. Full access for you. It's free. And why am I doing this? Well, I appreciate you as a viewer. And of course, this is a whole branding play as well, but it's really about you. And I'm also going to give you a PDF download, which contains all the prompts and the details and how you should use it. So I'm going to now show you insides of the course so that you can take a gander and learn what you're about to get. And there is no commitment either way. All I ask for is your name and email, but you're not going to be spammed or anything like that. I'm going to be developing more courses here. Happy to share it with you. And I would love to get your feedback underneath this video. How did you like it? What did you want changed? What other courses or other specific learnings would you like to see from me and my community? I again appreciate you being here. Let me show you the inside right now. Here we are on the inside of the Claude Prompt Framework that I talked about, and the 5 structured prompts for professional productivity. And the link for this, as I mentioned, is below this video in the description. It is free to access. It's about 30 minutes, 7 modules. And at the end of this course, you'll be able to apply the full framework that I put together yourself to build custom prompts and really build from there. So there's a lot of learning in here, as I mentioned, a lot of insights. I'm just briefly showing you the workflow 1 through 7, and it's very simple. You simply click the link and you start the free course. Once you're in, you'll see something like this. In fact, you'll click that link and you'll get to the inside, and you see the modules here. They are grayed out because you are now effectively going to be taking the lessons and watch the curriculum as you see it here. When you continue, I'm already logged in, but when you log in first time, it's going to say start course here. Once you start, you get a first name, last name emailed straight in here. Once you have entered your name and email, you're going to see something like this. Continue course with a video, and that video is animated and it moves through with the key points that you're going to learn, along with all the text and the curriculum details, so that you can actually apply it. Then at the end of this course, you get the full 5 prompt framework. In fact, we give it to you here right off the bat so that you can learn from it. In fact, this video here, as I promised, I wanted to give you the first prompt that you can use. This is called a triage prompt, and this is for your inbox overload. This will save you about 3.75 hours per week. And here is the prompt. You are my executive assistant. Below are emails from my inbox. For each one, give me priority levels. Urgent, today, this week, ignore. A 1-sentence summary of what they actually want, a draft of a 2 to 3 sentence reply that I can copy and send. The tone is direct, warm, no fluff, never use M-dashes. If an email is sales, spam, or low value, mark ignore and skip the reply. And then you paste in the emails here. And you want to do this each morning and start getting some workflows applied to your business. And again, this is specifically for Claude, but any LLM will work for you here. So if you have ChatGPT or Manus or Gemini as an example, you can test those as well, depending on your inside the system. So once again, click to start the free course, start watching the videos, make sure that you apply yourself through the quiz. The quiz actually looks like this. This is where you will answer the questions, and it's going to give you a red or green based on your knowledge, your reply, and the assessment will be applied at the end for this particular module. And then you go through 1 through 7, same thing. At the very end, with a 75% completion, you will get a certificate, and the certificate looks something like this. All right, so once you're inside here, once you're done, you're going to get a certificate, and it's going to be applied to you from me, and it's going to have a download capability as well as a QR code assigned to it that you can use and reference for your professional development.